Hello, how are you? Today, we're diving into the Zenit EM, a classic Soviet-era SLR camera. If you're into vintage cameras or simply curious about Soviet engineering, this one might catch your attention. Let's take a closer look at its main features and see what sets it apart. The Zenit EM is a 35mm SLR camera produced by the Krasnogorsk Mechanical Works, KMZ, in the Soviet Union during the 1970s. Known for its robust build and manual operation, it became popular among photography enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet reliable camera. With its mechanical simplicity and solid construction, the Zenit EM represents an interesting part of Soviet camera history. The Zenit EM is built like a tank. Its all-metal body makes it extremely durable, and it can handle some rough conditions without worry. Despite its weight, the camera has a solid feel that instills confidence when shooting in various environments. One of the standout features of the Zenit EM is its M42 screw-mount lens system. This mount is compatible with a wide range of lenses, not just from Zenit, but also from other manufacturers. This gives photographers flexibility in choosing different lenses to experiment with. The camera features a simple but effective through-the-lens (TTL) metering system. While the viewfinder isn't as bright as modern models, it does the job, offering a clear enough view to focus manually. The focusing system relies on a ground glass screen with a microprism in the center, which helps achieve sharp focus, especially in daylight. The Zenit EM offers shutter speeds ranging from 130 to 1/500 seconds, plus a bulb mode for long exposures. The controls are fully mechanical, meaning everything is manual. While this might slow down the process for beginners, it's a great way to learn the fundamentals of photography. The Zenit EM uses a TTL metering system, meaning the light meter measures the light that passes through the lens. This helps provide more accurate exposure settings compared to external meters. However, since the metering system is fully manual, you'll need to adjust aperture and shutter speed yourself, using the needle in the viewfinder as a guide. Loading film into the Zenit EM is fairly straightforward, although the process can feel a bit slow compared to modern cameras. It uses a manual film advance lever, and rewinding film also requires turning the rewind crank manually, which can be part of the charm for those who enjoy the tactile side of photography. The camera includes a PC sync port for attaching an external flash. The flash sync speed is 1/30th of a second, which limits its use in fast action shots, but works fine for portraiture and slower moving subjects. Despite its solid construction, the Zenit EM can require occasional maintenance, especially due to its age. The mechanical components can wear down over time, but with proper care, this camera can still deliver great results decades after its production. Nowadays, the Zenit EM is relatively affordable on the second-hand market. It's a great option for those looking to experience film photography without breaking the bank. Many models are available with their original lenses, making it an attractive entry point for vintage camera collectors. Operating the Zenit EM is a fully manual experience, which means there's a learning curve for those unfamiliar with older cameras. However, it's also rewarding. The simplicity of the controls, combined with its durability, makes it an enjoyable camera for anyone interested in traditional photography methods. The Zenit EM may not have the advanced features of modern digital cameras, but it offers something unique with its fully mechanical operation and classic design. It's a great choice for those wanting to explore film photography or add a vintage piece to their collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on cameras, photography tips, and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.